Hey everybody, showing a little different video now. These are the window boxes that we have here. We just installed them this week, or actually last week. And as you can see, it's not just this window, but it also goes to those railings right there. And then right over there is two more boxes. So as you can see, this one right here is the Supertunia Bubblegum, Supertunia Vista Bubblegum. There are 6 separate Supertunias in there. It's actually a ton. As you can see, they're already just enjoying everything. And this is only May 1st. There was flowers on these about a month ago when I bought them, but I just planted them only a week ago. So this is one window box. Here is the other one. This one's on a railing. That is Supertunia Vista Jazzberry. You can see it kind of looks kind of like a hot purple. It's like electric. This is Supertunia Vista Fuchsia, which is a more red color. Again, these were all planted a week ago. Right there has not flowered yet. Here's the other two window boxes. This is Supertunia Vista Paradise, which still has not yet flowered. And this right here is the Supertunia Vista Silverberry, which just started flowering. Last week it had no flowers. And there's 3 in these ones, so these have 3 each. And the much bigger ones have 6 each. As you can see, it should require a lot of fertilizer and a lot of water, but these should be massive, hopefully. I know they say, Proven Winner says you shouldn't plant too many in a box, but I don't know, I disagree on that. So again, that's how they look. Go up here really quick. So it looks from the back. Obviously, it's easier to water these because you can get behind them. The other ones, you have to pretty much get on a ladder with a hose, and then when you fertilize it, you got to get up on a ladder with a watering jug to fertilize them. It'd be a lot of work. These are doing really well. And these ones, everything but the bubble gum I ordered online. So these were all sent in boxes. But the bubble gums, they came from a local nursery. So there you have it. This will be update 1. And maybe every couple of weeks I'll do an update. Alrighty, thank you.